Hi, this is just a quick tutorial on how to pre-record a lesson using Zoom. Now we normally use Zoom for video conferencing, but it can be used to pre-record a lesson as well. So I'm on my staff portal here. I have set up Zoom as a preference and I sign in. This is all presuming you've used Zoom before, as in you've got it downloaded onto your computer. Alrighty, so if the general idea is if you just create a meeting, don't have anyone in it, record your screen during the meeting and then save it. This will be how you record your session. So we'll go with host a meeting with video off to start with, and it will go through all the normal things. It will say open Zoom, which you do. You'll get this, join with audio, that's fine. Now this is the screen that you normally see when you start up a meeting, if you're familiar with Zoom. Now down the bottom here, there is sometimes a record button, sometimes not. It depends what your settings are. Now if you don't have a record button like I don't here, you'll need to end your meeting for all. You'll need to sign in again. You'll need to go to settings, recording, and this button here needs to be turned on. So let's turn it on. Go OK with that. And now we can host a meeting. And we'll go with video off. And we are now in the familiar meeting screen. And you can see now there's a record button. So I'm going to click record.
This meeting is being recorded.
That should get transmitted to all of the students. And in this case, there's no students. So it's just some dead time. But from this point on, you'll be recording your session. And from there, you can do a screen share. So you can do all the stuff that you would normally do here, and you can demo things. You can also use the tools here, so the like annotate tool. You can type text all over the place, all of that sort of thing. And when you're finished, you can clear it all and close that down. And basically that's it. So once you've recorded your session, you'll come up to here and you will go stop recording.
The recording has stopped.
You will we can stop sharing our screen now. And so the meeting's still going, but we've finished our recording. If you want to do multiple recordings, you could. Now what you need to do to access the recordings themselves is end the meeting. And by ending the meeting, you'll see a message comes up and it's saying that it needs to convert the video. Now, if you've done a long recording, half an hour, this is going to take a little time. Our video is pretty short, so it's no problem. It's going to ask where to put it. And I might say I'll put it in videos. I'll go OK. And then if we have a look in videos, there's 3 new files here just been created. And the one we're after is Zoom O, usually that's what it's called. And that's where your video will be for your lesson. And so that is how you do a recording under Zoom.